Hi, this is Bhuvan Unhelkar again, your tutor for new technology alignment, and I'll take the next 3 to 5 minutes very briefly to update you on the first module of our course. You must have started with the first lecture within the first module, which is introducing new technology alignment, and I hope that is going well for you. Within that introduction, you will have come across various reports, various links to different technologies like mobile, cloud computing, smart objects, and so on. And you will have also come across some of the material that I have put over there that talks about the S curve, the technology adoption curve, and so on. You will have also got into the habit of posting to the discussion forum, so I hope you have started enjoying that and picked up a few new things in the process. Also, you will have started feeling comfortable with your fellow participants in this course. The next lecture within the first module is basically exploratory, and you're going to search for new technologies. You will be going back briefly to the internet and a little bit of its history and so on, but then quickly move to what is there in the future for the internet. And the moment we start talking about the future, the thought of being able to search comes into mind. So you will be introduced to the various search engines. You don't need to know all of them, although quite a few are there. Alta Vista, Google, of course, which is the one that I use most of the time. Bing, if you are a Microsoft fan, and there are a few others. And then you might come up with your own. And that will give you an idea in terms of how to do researches, how to explore, and what are the advantages and limitations of different ways of exploring on the internet. I had also written a article together with my friend and colleague Professor San Murugesan. That was a while ago in 2004 on a roadmap for successful ICT innovation. This is a Qatar article. Qatar publishes out of Boston in the US, and I had taken their permission to put some of the excerpts of that article for you in terms of fostering innovation. There is also a list of various business arrangements like the Australian technology parks and so on. But if you are from outside Australia, you are encouraged to post on the discussion forum places that you know of, technology parks that you know of in terms of new technologies and how they are being promoted within your region. The third lecture within this first module is more on making prediction. How would you see the future of new technologies? This is early on in this course, but it will still get you into the mode of thinking. And again, as I mentioned in my introduction, there is more material here than you need, so you need to direct your studies to suit your interest and that of your organization. So for example, I have got business processes being digitized as one of the areas, and there is an interesting discussion between McCoy and Ban. In the past, this discussion has generated quite a bit of positive arguments, constructive criticism amongst you students, and I hope you will enjoy doing that this time around. There is a chat on wireless and mobility future. I wrote a book in 2009 that was published with CRC Press, or Taylor and Francis, called Mobile Enterprise Transition and Management, and I have put an excerpt there for you to go through. So continue to enjoy going through the material, browsing through the links at your pace, and then posting comments on the discussion forum. Remember, you need to post at least 2 comments every week, one which is your original one and one as a counter comment to any of those other posts or comments that you might have liked or disliked. So continue to enjoy the course, and I'll chat with you about the second module in a while. See you.